Still printing documents just to sign them? Whether it's a contract, an agreement, an application form, or a business document, signing PDFs doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you how to sign any PDF online in just a few clicks, completely free using VelaPDF. This is VelaPDF, a free browser-based PDF toolkit with over 55 tools for editing, converting, and managing your documents. One of its most useful features is the Sign PDF tool. It lets you add your signature directly to a PDF with no printing, no scanning, and no complicated software. Just upload your file, sign it, and download the completed document in seconds. So why go digital? A few reasons. You skip printing entirely. You save time and effort compared to the old print, sign, scan routine. Everything happens right in your browser with nothing to install. It's ideal for remote work, freelancers, and anyone handling online agreements. And it keeps your paperwork organized digitally instead of buried in a filing cabinet. Today, most documents are shared online anyway. Contracts, forms, approvals, so signing them digitally just closes the loop and makes the whole process faster.
Step 1. Start by going to VelaPDF.com and selecting the Sign PDF tool from the homepage or the Tools menu. Step 2. Click Upload PDF and choose the document you want to sign from your device. The upload only takes a moment, even for larger files. Step 3. Once your file loads, you'll see options to create your signature. You can draw it, type it, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Then simply place it anywhere on the document where a signature is needed. Step 4. Drag your signature to the exact spot and resize it so it fits naturally on the page, whether that's a signature line, a form field, or the bottom of a contract. Step 5. When everything looks right, click Sign PDF. VelaPDF processes the document instantly, and your signed file is ready to download in seconds. No waiting, no extra steps.
This tool isn't just for one type of document. You can use it for business contracts, employee documents, rental agreements, application forms, invoices, and approval documents. Basically, anywhere you'd normally print and sign, you can now do it entirely online, faster, and without leaving your desk.
To sum it up, here's why people choose VelaPDF for signing documents. It's a quick and easy process. There's no software installation. It works entirely online. It saves time compared to printing and scanning, and it has a simple, intuitive interface. VelaPDF makes PDF signing simple, fast, and accessible for everyone, whether you're a student, a freelancer, or running a business. And that's how you sign a PDF online using VelaPDF. No printing, no scanning, and no complicated steps. If you found this helpful, try the Sign PDF tool today and make your document workflow faster. Visit VelaPDF.com and sign your first PDF in seconds.